Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. So, what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer! Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. Every year on March 14th, millions of PiNetwork enthusiasts worldwide celebrate Pi Day, a significant milestone marking the platform's progress in building a decentralized financial ecosystem. However, Pi New Year 2025 is more than just an annual celebration. This year, it serves as a symbol of technological advancement, innovation, and a renewed vision for the future of digital finance. Pi New Year 2025, a defining moment for open mainnet. Since its inception, PiNetwork has witnessed exponential growth, attracting millions of users eager to be part of a truly decentralized financial revolution. With open mainnet on the horizon, this year's Pi Day carries even greater significance. The core team has been working tirelessly to accelerate development, ensuring the network is fully prepared for widespread adoption. Key developments include optimization of the KYC process to facilitate seamless identity verification for millions of pioneers, expansion of the Pi ecosystem with an increasing number of applications integrated into the Pi browser, strengthening the blockchain infrastructure to support a high volume of transactions, ensuring scalability and security. These initiatives reinforce PiNetwork's commitment to becoming a fully functional cryptocurrency that can be utilized globally. With the open mainnet launch approaching, Pi is set to transition from a conceptual digital currency to a widely accepted medium of exchange. Real-world adoption of Pi gains momentum. One of the most promising indicators of PiNetwork's success is its increasing real-world adoption. Across various countries, businesses and merchants are beginning to accept Pi as a means of payment. From retail transactions to high-value purchases such as real estate and automobiles, Pi is demonstrating its potential as a viable digital currency. This shift signifies growing confidence in PiNetwork, proving that it is not merely a speculative asset, but a functional and practical digital currency. As the ecosystem continues to expand, more industries are expected to integrate Pi payments into their operations, further strengthening its legitimacy. PiNetwork and the future of decentralized finance. The financial landscape is evolving rapidly, with decentralized finance or DeFi emerging as a powerful alternative to traditional banking systems. PiNetwork is at the forefront of this movement, offering an accessible and energy-efficient way for individuals worldwide to participate in a decentralized economy. Unlike conventional cryptocurrencies that require energy-intensive mining, PiNetwork's innovative mobile mining mechanism allows users to mine Pi directly from their smartphones without excessive power consumption. This unique approach makes cryptocurrency mining more inclusive, enabling people from all backgrounds to participate in the digital economy. Furthermore, PiNetwork's user-centric approach sets it apart from other blockchain projects. With a thriving global community of over 60 million engaged users, PiNetwork is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a movement towards financial empowerment. What lies ahead for PiNetwork? Pi New Year 2025 is not just a time for celebration, it is a moment for reflection and anticipation. The next 12 months will be crucial in determining whether PiNetwork can solidify its position as a game-changing digital currency. Will Pi become a widely accepted payment method across industries? How will the open mainnet enhance the network's functionality and adoption? What new innovations will shape the Pi ecosystem in the coming year? While the answers to these questions will unfold over time, one thing is certain: PiNetwork has already made a profound impact on the world of cryptocurrency. The dedication of its developers, the passion of its community, and the platform's innovative approach to blockchain technology position Pi for a transformative future. As we step into a new era of digital finance, PiNetwork continues to inspire millions. Pi New Year 2025 marks the dawn of a financial revolution, one driven by decentralization, innovation, and the collective efforts of a global community. The road ahead is filled with possibilities, and those who believe in Pi are set to witness history in the making. Happy Pi New Year, the journey is just beginning.